Hi everyone, it's Sandra from Midwest Charm. I have another DIY here for you today, and I was gonna shoot some before pictures and I'm not sure I did. So let me show you what I am working on and what we're gonna do. And this should be a pretty quick video. So we went to Hobby Lobby and we found these leaves. They have wood bark on one side and then raw wood on the other. And then I found at Goodwill two of these wood pumpkins. You can see they had some hot glue on here. I got the chunk of it off. I'm gonna use my heat gun and get the rest of that off. But if you follow along, we will be using Country Chic and Simplicity, and Country Chic paint and Sunday Tea, and Country Chic's clear coat. And then I'm also going to be using some Roycycled Decoupage paper. I actually have that right here. And the new IOD release transfers of Glen and Fairy Merry Christmas. So follow along. I'll have a list below of what all we will be using and where you can purchase them, which is on my website at www.midwestcharm.co, C-O, no M. And I hope you enjoy. Okay, so because I am using the ones that were finished in Sunday Tea for transfers, even though this has a built-in top coat, I am going to still put a top coat over this because, again, this is raw wood on this side, and I want to make sure that my transfers adhere really nicely and I don't have to worry about them coming off. We will top coat them too. So all of my Sunday Tea ones will be getting a quick top coat of the Country Chic clear coat. And just watching for drippies in between those little leaf curves there. All right. So all of these, I did 6 painted in Sunday Tea and 6 of them in white. I know I didn't show it in the video. I already had some of them done before I started the video. And 1 coat each. There was no need to do 2. I got pretty good coverage. On these ones with the Sunday Tea, I am going to use some IOD stamps as well on some of them. I will be doing kindest regards in the background underneath. And I haven't decided yet if I'm going to do the stone gray ink or if I'm just going to do black. But I'll make sure to put that down below which one I decided to use. And I may get some bleed through since this is raw wood. I didn't even think about that, so I'll have to watch that. That one looks like it was kind of having some color bleed through there. So all right, so these are about done. Once this is dry, we will go ahead and start doing our other 2 parts. Okay, I'm using today Retro Halloween with the candy corn, and I haven't decided if I'm going to use the kitty or the owl. And then I'm also using Fall Tartan, and I'm choosing to use the blue side. So, using my clear coat, I'm going to apply some down. Actually, I think I'm going to do the whole thing at once. This should be, I don't have my spray bottle here. Normally I would spritz my paper, but this is a pretty small area, so I think we will be good. Come on. And then we will wait for this to dry. And then we will come back and sand off our edges. I'm gonna do just a couple in this. I've got ideas for some of these other ones, and I just want to make sure I have plenty of these left. I bought what the Hobby Lobby we stopped at, what they had of these leaves, and I have so many ideas. I'm afraid I'm going to run out of leaves. I'm going to do a second one, second leaf. I'm trying to make sure I get plenty of product in the spots that are rough. I just want to make sure that my decoupage paper adheres. If you are watching me do this, I'm just setting it on there and then making sure my middle's attached first and then working my leaves out towards my leaves. And then the same when I go on with the top coat, or your decoupage medium of choice. All right. And then for one of these pumpkins, we are gonna do just kind of running around the edge here so I know where to trim my paper, and I'll trim it with a little bit of extra around it. And I'm not gonna cover the stem. All right. But I will start up at the stem for coverage here. Again, raw wood, so I'm trying to make sure I have plenty of product on here so my paper will go down. Let's see. I'm gonna trim it in a straight line across where that's gonna go down. Perfect. We'll come back with our top coat and smooth all that down. And again, let it dry. And for my last one, again, I haven't decided if I'm going to do the owl and cut off the owl's ears, or if we're going to do, I think we're going to do the kitty. But I think I'm going to do it up a little bit higher. So we have a cut there. And right there. Get our decoupage medium applied. I just want to make sure I have enough over here. All right. I'm going to seal this baby in. I feel like we're missing just, oh, because there's holes. I see. All right. Okay. I just want to make sure that that doesn't get stuck down. I'm working out a little bubble right there. Perfect. We will let him dry too. And we'll be back to trim this up. you guys, super easy, super fun. The only ones I didn't get done for the video are the ones where I was gonna stamp the kindest regards in the background and then put the transfer over it. And I was gonna do the little fairies from Fairy Merry Christmas on there. Just didn't get them done, but we did get some from Holly Glen done. Cannot wait to put these out. These are perfect for fall, for winter. Oh, I love them. And then our 2 pumpkins turned out amazing. I love them so much. I've debated on putting something over the top of the one with the candy corn, but I think I'm gonna leave it. These are gonna get something on top of it. I just haven't decided if I'm gonna throw a transfer on these or what yet, but these will get one more dimension added to it, maybe a mold. I haven't decided, but these will get something more. If I get them done before I publish this video, I'll post them at the end. Otherwise, watch my Facebook page because I'm sure I'll be posting a bunch of these finished up once I have them done. Thanks for watching, everyone. Please like, subscribe, and share. I am back. I am trying to get my numbers up. I really would like to get some more followers and subscribers on here. Share with your friends. See if there's somebody you know that is into this type of thing. I was gonna do a thrift haul today, so I'll get one of those up soon, but you know, lots of DIYs and day-to-day small business owner stuff. So we'll see you all next time. Bye.